Hello! How is everybody this evening? This is Carmen with Crafting with Carm, and we've got our Sunday evening event going on here. Let me wait just a second and get it popped up on my, well, maybe. So this is Carmen with Crafting with Carm, and it's not popping up on my new thing to do on my thing. So tonight we're going to discuss July's paper pumpkin. There we go. I have not even opened it yet. Well, I've opened it a little bit, so I'll show you in a minute. But I'm going to jump to my hands here, and welcome to Crafting with Carm. So this was July's paper pumpkin. It is called The Adventure Begins. If you are a paper pumpkin subscriber, you can get refills when they have extras. So let's open the box. I did open it this far because I wanted to see what color we were using tonight. Tonight is garden green, so I use these spots for prizes for my customers. And we have this stamp set. Let the adventure begin. Dream big, aim high, let your light shine. And this one says, the world awaits you. Explore and congrats. So sounds like graduation, wedding, even maybe baby, or new job. Great little tree in there. And then this is the one you can get right now, the Hope Box, through August 10th. It is, Shelly came up with this box. It's going to have a special box, and it's full of us to seek connections, new connections. So you can still sign up to get your August box through August 10th. And then got always the ever present tissue paper that I've used on other projects. Digging this out here. Did not even open it. So put this aside. Oh, so there's going to be a camper. A little camper in there. I know somebody I can give that to. And the trees, and then a lantern. Oh, that's kind of cute. And then these neat little envelopes. So let me get this opened up. I'll find my scissors. And I'm not going to make them all tonight, but I want to at least show you what's in the package. I love these because sometimes they have, a lot of times they have matching envelopes. So I've got my sequins and dimensionals and glue dots. And then it looks like all of these are the same, but how fun are these? Even the envelopes are pretty decorative. And then here's my lantern card. Oh, there's lots of those. Oh, this must be a fun fold because there's 3 layers. For the lantern cards, set those up there. For the silhouette cards, that almost looks, could be like a Christmas card almost. And 4 of the camper cards. And here's our what we stamp on. Don't know what I'm going to do. And then some extra tree pieces and some more tree pieces. So the instructions are right here. Cardboard handy for lots of things. So remember, they have made the instructions now in color. And they tell you what spot to use and where to put the dimensionals, which is kind of handy, and even what kind of sequins to use. So I don't know, let's do the camper one. It says, let the adventure begin. I think that would be great for a baby card. I do know a couple people that are pregnant here, so let's find It is the long tag. And I'm getting, here's my block. They always fit on this size block. You might have to put them sideways, but they always fit on these. And there's a trick that if you lay it down and do this, then it's going to be straighter. Okay, so I want them to go with the tail to my right, it looks like. And there's only, that's not giving you a lot of room to oops, because there's only 4. Do I stamp points on the other? Okay, I might have to read the instructions. Okay, so let the adventure begin. I'm just going to stamp 1 for now. Oh, and I just got ink all over those. Woo! That's why there's 2 sides. Okay, so I'm going to pop this one out very gently because I apparently have ink on myself. And I'm going to pull this in. And it also says that I need to stamp the tree. So I'm assuming it means this tree. And I didn't even bring anything to claim my. Okay, so looks like I have to pop this piece out, which could be scrap for a whole bunch of other, could be scrap for a whole bunch of other things. So then this guy folds like this. So you're going to open and then open. So you've got lots of room to write on this guy. So I'm going to stamp for the lack of better words, the pine needle parts on this tree. I think this is going to be rather green. I think you could almost stamp this off. Oh, maybe not. You could. But I got it okay. So I got that folded. Step 2 says stamp this little guy. 3 says I'm supposed to put this little guy behind the camper here. And I am supposed to use glue dots, but I think for the sake of, because that's what comes in the kit, but if you have extra adhesive, I think for the ease, I'm just going to put some adhesive there, and then oh, they have him up. So I think I'm just going to, that's a little dangerous. I think I'm just going to put adhesive right there. And it looks like he is not touching that. So I'm going to just lay this down. Oh, there's my tree behind my camper. Now I've stamped the words, and this goes on with 3 little dimensionals. These are from last month. Oh, they sent you big dimensionals this month, but I grabbed some little ones. It's easier than opening the pack. And this goes all the way to the end. Let the adventure begin. I don't know if their new babies are going to be boys or girls, but we've got 2 people that I know that are having their second, so I think this will be a great baby card. And then there are some sequins on here, so I'm going to open the pack. It says I get 2 yellows and 3 blues, or greens, or whatever color these are. So if you've got a take your pick tool with the spatula end, these are great. Stampin' Up! Sells these. It looks like I've got a yellow one down here, and then a smaller blue one right here, and then I can't tell from the picture where the rest of them are. Oh, they're in the tree and on the camper. Here. They put one up in here. One on the camper. I don't think I want one on the camper. I think I want one there. And I want one up here. Kind of look like stars. You could go even in with your gel pen. So, card 1. I love that these are 3-fold this month. These are so cute. Okay, so stay tuned, or in the comments I'll post a picture of the other ones. And the other thing I wanted to show you tonight, here's what else you could do with the kit. Some alternate things, and you can always scan it to get instructions or what to do more, and they are now on Instagram, I think is the new one. So let me put these aside, and I want to show you what I got in the mail. So I did not ask to be on these people's mailing list, nor did I give these people some money, but they have sent me a calendar for 2022. I think they think I'm very organized. And look at all the cute pictures in the back that I could make. I could cut these up and make little cards, or put these on note cards, but they are gorgeous in here too. So, ooh, see? This would make like at least 2 cards, if not like 3 note cards. But you can get scrapbook paper from anywhere. And this is another good one. And I could use just well, I don't think I could get the reflection part. I don't know, I'd have to measure. Maybe just part of the reflection part. But keep an eye out for things that come in the mail that you didn't ask for. And I would have just thrown this in the recycle bin, but I could use that. So I might play around with these and show you some finished cards, but I thought I'd show you some ideas to get scrapbook paper from around your house. So it is 7:13, so it's almost time for us to be done. I will see you next Sunday at 7 o'clock, and this has been Carmen with Crafting with Carm. I hope you have a great evening. See you later.